I could go back, I wouldn't change anything. The struggle made me, now we getting big money, and I split it with the family.
Hey, what's going on, fam? Welcome back to another video with your boy J-Rock. Today we're going to be doing a quick review and unboxing video of a new Welly Merck watch that I just got in the mail. So my brother actually got his hands on it before I got a chance to. So he went ahead and opened this, and I think he even tried it on, he checked it out. That's what younger brothers do, so no biggie. So the package was actually shipped through DHL Express, so it got here within like 3 to 5 days. It was very, very quick. It came in this bag, which actually had this inside. This thing has a bunch of bubble wrap inside of it, so it's gonna come in very safe and quickly. And so this is the beautiful box that we have our hands on. Says Welly Merck right on it. It's got this really nice texture on it. It feels really, really good. I like it, and it looks great. We got an instructions manual, which I do recommend reading because there's a lot of features on your watch that you might not know of unless you read this. So make sure you do that, you guys. I must mention that you can actually change the straps on this. So if you want to add your own taste, your own flair to it, pop this face right off the strap and add your own. So the watch is made out of stainless steel and sapphire glass. It's water resistant as well, and the straps are made out of nylon. Very good quality watch for the price. Check this bad boy out, you guys. Tell me that isn't clean. Clean design, very minimal. Black on white on red looks so good. Just check out the face on this too, you guys. If you guys are interested in these watches and you're considering getting one for yourself, make sure you guys use the code that I'm going to provide for you because it's going to give you a $50 discount. That's right, you guys, $50. So this watch sells for $149, and if you use my code, you're going to get it for $99, you guys. If you guys haven't seen my last video, I'm going to leave a link for that in the description below as well. Make sure you check it out. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.